Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano sa kanyang official Facebook page 14 minutes ago. Paliwanag niya ito tungkol sa isinampa nilang petisyon sa Supreme Court. Tapos na ang pagsasampa ng petisyon. Sabi niya, numbers may change, the Constitution does not. Truth is truth is truth. Numbers change. The Constitution does not. Truth remains true regardless of what side we are on. Correct. Walang pagbabago. Kung anong totoo, yun na lang. Maka-Gatchalian ka man, maka-Cayetano ka, maka-Duterte ka, maka-Marcos ka, kahit saang side ka, kung ano yung katotohanan, yun na yun. Wala nang iba. We believe that truth matters and that the Philippine Constitution, the basic law of the land, provides a framework for seeking and living the truth. We believe that when fundamental truths are placed at risk, covered up, or manipulated, public officials have a duty to act. Sinasabi niya ditong truth is, kikita ko yung flood control scandal na pilit ng isang grupo pinagtatakpan, ng isang grupo naman ilalabas ang katotohanan. Whether it is protecting the independence of the Senate from Malacanang, uncovering the truth behind the flood control corruption scandal, achieving justice through an impartial impeachment trial, or preventing a sinister charter change, the truth and the constitutionally provided safeguards embodied in our laws matter. That is why we have brought this matter before the Supreme Court. Tapos na. Naisampa na yung petisyon. Ano yung petisyon? As the petition explains, this is not about Senate leadership issue. Those who oppose it want to paint our motives in those simple terms. Simple enough to twist, simple enough to confuse people about the real issues. Let me reiterate what we have said from the start. Leadership positions are temporary stewardship. Correct. Leaders holding high government positions come and go. Political alliances change. Majority rise and fall. Correct. Walang permanente. Kaya ang akala ng mga powers that be hanggang forever na sila eh. Nasanay sila nung Marcos Sr. na for 20 years they ruled this country. Parang gusto nilang maulit yung nangyari sa Marcos Sr. Agree ako dito. Those who are in positions, come and go. Temporary lang yan. What endures are the aspirations of the Filipino people, made alive through the institutions of our republic and protected by a constitutional framework designed to prevent power from being concentrated in the hands of the few. Those institutions exist to ensure that no person, no faction, or no administration may place itself above the law or frustrate the aspiration of the people. The petition is not about preserving those institutions. It is about defending the independence of the Senate as a co-equal branch of government. It is about ensuring that constitutional questions are settled by law rather than political expediency. Most importantly, it is about protecting the ability of the Senate to pursue the truth whatever it leads. The Filipino people deserves to know what happened to the billions of pesos allocated for flood control projects across the country. They deserve to know why communities continue to flood despite decades of spending. Yan. So, ang isang purpose sa petition, sa naintindihan ko, is para matuloy ang flood control hearing. Yan ang purpose ng petition. They deserve to know whether public funds were used as intended, who benefited if they were not, and who should be held accountable. Those questions are bigger than any senator, bigger than any political coalition, and bigger than any temporary majority. They go to the heart of public trust. The issue before the Supreme Court is therefore not merely legal. It is institutional. If constitutional rules can be disregarded, whether they become inconvenient, then every future investigation every future oversight function and every future effort to hold power accountable becomes vulnerable to the same treatment. If the rules can be changed in the middle of the game, then no institution remains truly independent and no investigation remains truly secure. Nakikita ko dito yung independence ng Senate, ang gustong ipaglaban ni Senator Cayetano na hindi ka pwedeng diktahan ng ibang grupo. Kaya na may Senado, check and balance yan eh. Kung may nagmamalabis, edi ang Senado ang kukontra. Eh ngayon, parang meron ng Senate of Malacanang. The flood control hearings have already begun raising questions that deserve answers. The public has a right to know those answers. The Senate has a duty to pursue them. That duty cannot depend on shifting political winds or the preferences of those who may be affected by what the investigation covers. The Supreme Court exists precisely for moments like this. Its role is not to choose sides in a political dispute, but to determine whether the Constitution was followed. We welcome that judgment because constitutional clarity serves everyone, regardless of political affiliation or personal preferences. Questions of this magnitude must be resolved through law, not through pressure or political convenience. As stated in the preamble of the Philippine Constitution, which articulates our aspirations as the people, we file this petition with sincerity and humility, asking for the aid and guidance of Almighty God as we seek to find our way forward as one people and one nation. Wow! Tignan natin ang ito, kapopos pa lang How many minutes? 14 minutes. Tignan natin ang reaksyon. 33,000 ang nag-react. 16,000 ang nag-love. 15,000 ang nag-like, pabor. 1,000 ang nag-care, pabor kay SP. Ang tumatawa lang is 398. So, dito pa lang makikita po na marami taong bayan na sumusuporta kay SP Cayetano. Mabuhay po kayo, SP. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Na nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
O karon mao na ni ang matagaan og yero nga magatop na siya karon.
Atuk na gid ko karon.
Sige. So, kung muulan, tuluan kay ang ilang balay. So, karon kuya, pila na ni katuig inyong balay busa na kuan na, tuluan na kayo kung muulan ay nani na
10 years.
So, 10 years na ang inyong balay busa tuluan na kayo kung muulan.
Tungod sa kaisod ay pwede mo kuya ang misin.
So, unsa imong trabaho kuya? So, farmers lang ka kuya.
Oh.
So, nagtrabaho lang siya sa yuta. So, si kuya, nana kay anak kuya? So, na siya anak isa. So, ay pagin mapulihan daw ang ilang ngero nga guba na.
Salamat kay sa Ginoo nga makatok na gid ko. Sponsor.
Sige kuya.
Lansang ba?
So managid og atop si Uncle. So dili na gid siya tuluan. So tinabanga sila sa iyang anak.
Ay inuan sa salamat sa Ginoo sa nag-support sa. Inaw nga dagang pa yung matawang.
Sige, salamat po.